Updating your primary email on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Netflix website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update email address. In the account settings, look for the membership and billing section. Click on Change Email or Update Email to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages for Netflix. Keeping your email updated helps ensure you receive important notifications and account information.